Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn off Siri Read Calls on iPhone. So maybe you don't want Siri to announce whenever you receive a call on your iPhone, their contact name as well as the number. If that is the case, you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So sometimes you might be doing something and you might have received a call, and Siri usually announces that, and it is kind of bugging you and irritating you to some level. If you want to turn that off, there is a certain setting that you want to customize. So you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, what you have to do is simply open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open settings, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you could do is you want to scroll down a little bit until you find the option called phone, and right over here you'll be able to find the button which says phone. So what you have to do is simply tap on this phone option which you see. As you tap on phone, at the top of the screen you have this section called allow phone to access. You have options such as Siri and search, notification, incoming calls, and announce calls. And you can see right over there it says announce calls, which is actually set to always. If you want to turn that off, you have to simply tap on it. And you usually have 4 cases, such as whenever you want Siri to announce calls, make sure you're on your headphones or your car, or whenever you're on headphones only, you want Siri to announce calls for you, or to never or to always. You can read there it says allow always announce incoming calls when second generation AirPods and some Beats headphones are connected. You can answer a call without saying hey Siri. Or else if you choose headphones and car, you say announce incoming calls when headphones or a car with Bluetooth is connected, or headphones only, announce incoming calls when headphones are connected, and never, which generally means never announce incoming calls. If you toggle to and check this button called never, Siri will basically never announce that you have received a call. You might receive a notification, but Siri is not going to read that for you, nor read the name, nor read the contact name or the contact number at all. And this is how you can turn off Siri Read Calls on iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.